For the better result, we're comparing grading smartphones on build quality, display, performance, camera, battery, connectivity, and price, offering detailed, objective insights for informed decisions. Welcome to our in-depth comparison of the Honor 200 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We'll evaluate and rating these smartphones across a comprehensive range of criteria, including manufacturing quality, durability, ergonomics, and display features. We'll also dive into performance aspects like processors, graphics, and RAM, as well as camera capabilities, battery life, and software experience. Additionally, we'll compare connectivity options, security features, and multimedia support to determine which device truly stands out in today's competitive market. When comparing the build quality of the Honor 200 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, the iPhone excels in manufacturing precision and durability, featuring a robust ceramic shield and aerospace-grade materials. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. While the Honor 200 Pro offers solid craftsmanship and sleek design, the iPhone 15 Pro Max leads with superior durability and premium feel. Honor 200 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max both offer outstanding displays. The Honor 200 Pro excels with its large, high-resolution panel and exceptional color accuracy, while its touch sample rate enhances responsiveness. The iPhone 15 Pro Max also shines with impressive brightness and contrast, delivering vivid visuals. Although the Honor 200 Pro leads in refresh rate and panel size, both devices provide a top-notch viewing experience. When it comes to performance, iPhone 15 Pro Max excellent with its A17 Pro processor, offering superior graphics and overall speed. Its efficient thermal management ensures sustained performance. Honor 200 Pro, with its Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, delivers impressive graphics and speed, complemented by high-speed UFS 4.0 storage. However, the iPhone's optimized RAM, data speed, and lack of expandable storage give it a slight edge in performance. When comparing camera modules, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, excellent with its advanced main camera, offering superior performance and versatility with additional lenses and exceptional video recording capabilities. Its software features, including ProRAW and enhanced AI, further elevate its photography. The Honor 200 Pro also boasts impressive camera specs, including a versatile main sensor and strong additional lenses, but the iPhone's overall integration and software give it a slight edge. The iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers outstanding battery life with its efficient power management and fast charging capabilities. However, the Honor 200 Pro impresses with a larger battery capacity and quicker charging speed, offering extended real-world usage for heavy users. So, according to the cellTube rating, Honor is the best for battery life. The iPhone 15 Pro Max excels with iOS, offering seamless updates and a refined app ecosystem. The Honor 200 Pro provides a solid experience with its custom Android-based OS, but iOS's smooth updates and curated app quality give the iPhone a notable edge. The iPhone 15 Pro Max stands out with its cutting-edge 5G/4G support, advanced Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and reliable connections. It features USB Type-C 3.2 for versatile connectivity and comprehensive additional options. The Honor 200 Pro also offers strong 5G/4G support and good connectivity features, but falls slightly short in Type-C and Wi-Fi standards compared to the iPhone, giving Apple's device a connectivity edge. The iPhone 15 Pro Max excels with advanced security features, including Face ID and encrypted data storage. Its multimedia capabilities are top-notch, with Dolby Vision and spatial audio. The Honor 200 Pro offers competitive security, with its in-display fingerprint sensor and robust privacy features. For multimedia, it provides solid audio and video performance but lacks Dolby Vision. Both devices feature comprehensive sensor arrays, but Apple's integrations offer a slight edge. The Honor 200 Pro delivers excellent value for its price with strong performance and features. In contrast, the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers premium specs but at a higher cost. When comparing the Honor 200 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, the iPhone leads with superior manufacturing quality, advanced ergonomics, and a stunning display with excellent resolution and brightness. Its A17 Pro processor, top-tier graphics, and optimized RAM and storage offer unmatched performance. The iPhone's camera capabilities, including software features and video recording, set a high bar. While the Honor 200 Pro offers solid value, the iPhone excels across nearly all criteria, making it the overall best choice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
cellTube, your guide to smart choices.